Naghanap ka ba ng property na malapit sa Manila and Airport? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Strategically located near the three major central business district sa General Trias. Located ito sa Bacau, General Trias. At meron din tayo sa Mulawin, Tansa, Cavite. Approximately 45 to 60 minutes drive going to Manila and Airport. Very accessible at few minutes drive to mall, hospitals, worship area, schools, markets, government offices, and other commercial establishments. Gated, secured, exclusive community with world-class amenities. Introducing our Nevada modern single detached house with a minimum lot size of 150 square meters. And available din ang ating 200 up to 300 square meters for end and the corner units. May provision ito for 2-car park. Super spacious dahil ang floor area nito ay 167.22 square meters. Kaya naman napaka-spacious ng ating living, dining, kitchen area. A total of 4 bedroom and 3 toilet and bath with complete fixtures. High ceiling, modern design with balcony na connected sa ating master's bedroom. Sample computation for house and lot package. Total contract price is 15,898,150 pesos. No spot down payment dahil ang down payment natin ay payable for 21 months for only 104,342.26. Ang maganda nga nito ay no interest ang ating down payment. Ang ating estimated monthly amortization via bank financing is 106,228 for 20 years. We also have single attached house for as low as 5.3 million. At available din ang ating lot only. Kaya naman kung interesado ka sa property na to, send me direct message para ma-schedule natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!